I'm Bob from Orange, California, and I'm out here today at Banks to get my brand new diff cover put on. Well, in the early days when I didn't know enough, flat back diff covers were basically everything. So I went and I said, okay, these guys are local to me, I'll support the local vendor and put that PPE on there, and lo and behold, oops, not the best decision I ever made. In watching the videos, you can see that the oil is just getting beat up back there. It's turning into foam. That's not what oil should be doing, so I don't want that back there anymore. Matt, you gotta get that thing off there, man. We're dying. Get it out of there. Get it out of there. This baby is mine. Is this beautiful or is this not beautiful? And some of you probably saw this already at SEMA, but this is pretty. Happy, happy. All right, I got to give it to you, man. It's all yours.
The Holy Grail going
Put it on. Yes. So while we're here today, this, as many know, is the 4-inch exhaust. Right now, I'm willing to try anything to help get more performance and hopefully maybe a little bit more MPG out of this truck. So we're putting the 5-inch exhaust right behind this, and I'm expecting great things from it. I know I'll get them. Yeah, shit, look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh, it's massive. Sweet. So now that the 5-inch exhaust is on here, look at this. To me, this looks so much better, but better than I thought it would look. This is so cool. I cannot wait to get out of here and get on the road and hit it. Thank you, Banks. Thank you so much. Boom.